Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your phone supports dual SIM, physical plus eSIM or 2 nano SIMs, and that both lines are active with carrier PINs. Once done, backup key settings. Make sure you know each SIM's PIN. Power off the phone, remove the tray, and insert SIMs in the correct slots. If using eSIM, keep the activation QR or code handy. These steps ensure a clean start and prevent carrier conflicts when you first power on the device. You power the phone and open settings, the network or connections, and the SIM management page. This is where you tell the system how to use each line. Choose your primary SIM for voice and cellular data, and assign the secondary for secondary calls or occasional data use. Once set, label each SIM so you recognize them in the dialer and messages. Make sure to configure data roaming and 4G/5G preferences per SIM. Doing this now avoids unwanted charges and connectivity drops later. You finish by testing both lines. Place a call and send an SMS from each SIM, and then switch the default data line to verify seamless handoff. Once satisfied, monitor signal strength and data speeds for a short period to confirm stability. If something fails, try toggling airplane mode, restart the phone, or re-enter the carrier APN and eSIM activation details. These quick resets resolve most provisioning hiccups. If problems persist, contact the carrier with your device IMEI and activation log ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.